My name is Stephen Johnson. Johnson Law Firm SC is my law firm's name. I specialize in litigation, so criminal defense, family law, car accident plaintiff, and I do some other things regarding post-custody, child support, and a lot of post-conviction matters. I've been in practice in Appleton, Wisconsin, since 2005. After I graduated from Marquette Law School in 2004, I became an attorney to try and help people, especially in family law matters. I moved here from California to be a part of my 24-year-old son's life and to have him as much possible time shared placement. When I first came here, it was a very uphill battle to get rights for my child to see me. Because I was from California, there was, I guess, a guardian ad litem in my case that was convinced that I wasn't here to stay and that I was going to somehow take my child. She actually said to me, "I've had two fathers take their kids and run. I will not have a third." That was quite shocking to me to find out that I had to start seeing my child 1 hour a week, supervised by my ex-wife's sister. I thought it was just amazing to me how behind as a parent I was considered as a father. So that kind of motivated me to want to help other people in my situation. I'm best at helping them understand the process and procedures that go with any litigation, why things take so long, who are the decision makers, what the difference is between argument and evidence. I take my time to navigate them through the legal system because there was once a time that I had no clue myself when I first went through the system myself. So of course, I wanted everything immediately and I wanted it now. And I was probably a very horrible, demanding client, and come to realize the things that exist in the system, like inertia and the slowness it takes to adapt and change to modern times that exist in the system. So I'm good at explaining that to people and have them understand. I believe my strengths are that I empathize with my client. I believe I know where they're coming from. I am not some person who's a fourth generation lawyer who's come from an elite background. I was emancipated and on my own at the age of 14. I've been through many struggles on my own. I understand that judges, lawyers, the professionals are just people like any other people. And I try to bridge the gap between the formal education that I've received and those who don't have formal education that face court and are very intimidated by that. I think I'm very strong at doing that and empathizing with them. I'd like them to know that if I'm on their side, they can take it as a given that I'm going to put forward their argument to the best of my ability. Sometimes I have to find myself explaining that, look, I'm going to try what you want me to do. I'm going to say what you want me to do, because I kind of jump right into the likelihood of success sometimes. And therefore, I don't mean to assume and discourage them. I guess I take it for granted that I'm going to go to bat for them and swing for the fences. So sometimes I need to explain that a little more, but I do that. I say to my clients, I'll ask for a fine in a murder case if you want me to. Now, obviously that's not going to work, but it's a given that I'm going to put forward your argument, tell the court what you are giving me to tell them. And of course, I'm going to be frank with you about your likelihood of success. So I would like them to know that I'm going to go to bat for them 100%. And I feel that I'm going to treat them like their family in the same situation.